Hello students. So this is the worksheet that I've gave you, right, to actually look at some number patterns or sequences that are neither common difference nor common ratio, right? So let's look at them. Okay, I hope you can identify them. So the first thing to take note is that if you're watching this is the year 2024. This is actually unit 9, while in the year 2023 was unit 8, but I didn't change it on the worksheet, so you may amend it manually, right? Just adjust this. Okay, so here we go. First question, right? Consider the sequence. These are questions that are extracted from your textbook actually, so you can see them. They're in your syllabus. Okay, so consider this sequence and write down the next two terms. So we'll look at this and try to figure out what's the answer. So I'm looking at this and I actually can see that it is 1 cube over here, 2 cube, 3 cube, etc. So 5 cube is what gets us 125, so 6 cube should give us 216, and 7 cube should give us 343. So this is the next two term, right? So now they want us to find the term in n for the nth term. So for the n term is Tn. Okay, so this is actually n to the power of 3, right? So now next they tell us that the p term is 3375. So what happened when, right, n is equals to p, right? So n to the power of let's go back, p to the power of 3 is actually equals to 3375. So p is equals to, we just need to do the cube root of 3375. That gives us 15, right? So that's the solution for the first question. The next question, question 10 from your textbook. This time round, they have a n term is given by 2n squared plus 1. So they want us to write down the first 4 term. So all I need to do is, okay, to substitute accordingly. When n is equals to 1, it will be 2 plus 1. It is going to be, so T1 is going to be 2 times 1 square plus 1, which will give us 3, right? T2 is 2 times 2 square plus 1, right? Use your calculator. 2 times 4 plus 1 gives us 9. T3 is 2 times 3 square plus 1. So 2 times 9 plus 1, 19, right? T4 is 2 times 16 plus 1, 33, right? So here we have it, the first 4 term. Okay, then what happened, right? Part B, they says that the first 4 term of another sequence is 1, 7, 17, 31. By comparing this sequence with the first one, write down in terms of n for the n term. So what happened is the first sequence is 3, 9, 19, 33, etc. Right? Let me just change the color. The second one is 1, 7, 17, 31, etc. So what happened is when I compare them, right, I realize that there's a difference of negative 2. This is the difference, right? So what happened? Okay, the term n for the second sequence will simply be the pattern for the first sequence, which is 2n squared plus 1, right, minus 2. So the general term here is actually 2n squared minus 1. Okay, hence find the 38 term. So when n equals to 38, right, T38 is equals to 2 times 38 square minus 1, which is equals to, well, we use a calculator for that. There times 2 is 1. Well, the answer is 2887. Right? Okay, next question. Here we have the first 4 figures as shown. Draw the next one. So how does this look like? This is a triangle. Right? And then we're going to split it into 5 tiny triangles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So this is figure 5. So complete the table. Well, figure 5, okay, let's see what's the pattern now. This will be actually 5 times 6 over 2, and that is 15, right? So that's how it works. So if we want to figure out what is the n here, okay, actually I can write it outside so it's larger. Okay, so this is 15 is 5 times 6 over 2. So over here, okay, the pattern is actually n times n plus 1 over 2, right? That's actually the pattern. So this is Tn. Okay, so from here we can find the number of triangles in the 77th. So I need more space. When n equals to 77, T77 is equals to 77 times 78, right, over 2. So 77 times 78 divided by 2, 3003. And then for the part 4, find the value of n for which the figure has 66, right? So what happened is when n plus 1 over 2 equals to 66, right? And n plus 1 is equals to 6 times 2 is 132, right? So n squared plus n minus 132 equals to 0, right? So 132 divided by let me get this straight. Okay, you need to factorize this. So I'm just trying to find the combination that will give us 132. So well, this is the old calculator that I'm holding in my hand. I need the new calculator. Okay, let's try this. Okay, so you work this one out. This will be x plus 11. Sorry, not x. Let me change that. That will be n plus 11. N minus 12 equals to 0, right? So n is equals to -1. This is not applicable because what happens is you're looking for the value of n here, right, is the sequence number. So each term number which should be positive, right? Or n equals to 12. And that is the solution. Okay, so I hope you have been successful, right? Do our corrections if you made a mistake, and we'll learn from our mistakes. Right? Have a nice day.